The purist, surface-accentuating design of the new Mercedes-Benz A-Class is the next step in the Mercedes-Benz design philosophy of sensual purity. On the basis of a compact two-box design, optimized dimensions and proportions have led to a new interpretation of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class's design. With clear contours and sensual surfaces, we present high-tech that awakens emotions. Form and body are what remain when creases and lines are reduced to the extreme. Mercedes-Benz has the courage to implement this purism, says Chief Design Officer of Daimler AG, Gorden Wagener. The new A-Class is both hot and cool at the same time, and like its predecessor it has the potential to usher in a new design era. The exterior of the new Mercedes-Benz A-Class stands for sportiness, dynamism and emotion. The progressive front design with a low bonnet, flat LED headlamps with chrome elements and torch-like daytime driving lamps ensures an emotionally appealing and alluring appearance. The striking radiator grille with Mercedes star, whose silhouette opens out towards the base as a reinterpretation of its predecessor, features pins in a diamond look and a central silver louvre to underline the sportiness of this model. The prominent air inlets in the lower area of the bumper echo the silhouette of the radiator grille. The vehicle is visually extended by the longer wheelbase and character line along the side. The bonnet slopes down more heavily than in the preceding model series, emphasizing the dynamic, upright front. The larger wheel arches for wheels from 16 to 19 inches emphasize the sportiness of the new A-Class and make it sit more squarely on the road. The vehicle has a wider look at the rear end thanks to a more heavily waisted greenhouse, which also emphasizes the shoulders, and to the wider spaced rear reflectors in the modular, two-section rear bumper. Depending on the equipment level, the rear bumper is available with a black diffuser or, in the progressive equipment line, with chrome trim and exhaust tailpipes. The slim, two-section tail lights ensure an emotionally appealing, alluring appearance. The spoiler in high-gloss black mounted on the side of the rear window improves the aerodynamics. At market launch, 3 non-metallic and 4 metallic paint finishes plus the Decino paint finish Decino Mountain Grey will be available.